It was a few days after Thomas had seen many versions of himself. He had gotten over it, but still had a bad feeling. As he approached the station, he saw a freight train. But who was pulling the freight train was not who he expected it to be. It was Timothy, but now he had no number and a wolf's face. Timothy? I thought you fell off the viaduct.
Well, he did. But eventually, some people decided to reincarnate him. However, during the reincarnation, a rabid wolf broke into the room, and Timothy and the wolf fused, causing the wolf face and noises.
A tank engine with a wolf face? Oh, what's that gonna do? Oh, what's next? A tank engine with a cat face? Yeah. Okay, okay, well, behave. Okay, okay, we're sorry for growling at you. Sorry. Well, I guess that's one way to keep those trucks in order. Thomas was happy to see Timothy alive again, but he had mixed feelings about him. On one hand, he was happy to see him, but on the other hand, he felt a bit concerned now that he was an engine and wolf mix. As he went down the line, Thomas began to imagine an alternate version of Timothy's crash. The impact of the crash did cause some passengers to get injured, even his driver and firemen. This line had been abandoned for years, and no one bothered to check it, even if an accident like this had happened. The coaches were soon hauled away, but the coupling had snapped between Timothy and the coaches, but the door was already closed. For years, Timothy was locked away in the shed. The driver and fireman were knocked out from the force of the crash, but so they weren't seen again. And Timothy was soon rescued and was taken to somewhere to be reincarnated. In Thomas's mind, this version made more sense to him. For a while, Timothy was used as an engine in Japan. The next day, Thomas was taking a freight train down the line. Soon, he saw an express train at the signal with a passenger train. The tram engine didn't have a face, and it was with Timothy. Toby, what happened to you? You don't have a number.
Oh, this isn't Toby. This is a tram engine that Timothy met in Japan. They've become friends since then.
Thomas felt better now that Timothy was back, and he had another friend with him. But he had to continue on with this journey. He didn't know if he learned a lesson today, but if he did, I guess it would be, sometimes when something happens to a person, you just have to get up and deal with it.